loyo, ak'fanele loyo. Wena ufanelwe mina ngedwa, ak'fanele loyo, ak'fanele loyo. Wena ufanelwe mina ngedwa, ak'fanele loyo, ak'fanele loyo. Wena ufanelwe mina ngedwa. Bengazi kuzokwenzeka but bengathembi uzomove on so soon. Angibona ithombe zakhe inhliziyo ibabuhlungu. I thought you were happy ne-fun too. Nami futhi bengathandi mas-argue, but I know kunjalo kuma-couple. Abanye times too njalo mabalala ebusuku, kodwa kuhluka nabafuni. Mele umbonise umuntu wakho maka-fatus. Now I have to learn to live without you. Phela wena boy queen lale bantu, boy queen lale bantu. Now you my ex, baby girl I had to find another man. I had this close to your friend, and they say it's too old to be your man. That shit got me mad. I saw your pic, how you hold hand, maybe in it for the bag. You and him don't mesh.
You don't mesh, you really don't mesh. But na loyo sa, ak'fanele.
Ak'fanele loyo, ak'fanele loyo. Wena ufanelwe mina ngedwa, ak'fanele loyo, ak'fanele loyo. Wena ufanelwe mina ngedwa, ak'fanele loyo, ak'fanele loyo. Wena ufanelwe mina ngedwa.
I thought we had it going, but girl, we're falling in cycles. Introduce you to my life, hoping you will cycle. Give you all the love while you're giving me samples. Now you're looking for another, but my heart is missing. Yes, my love for you will never die. It's sprouting whenever I look into your eyes. If you know how much you made me feel, then I bet you would have stayed. Circumstances have changed and the nigga still want you back. Cause you're the apple of my eye, even though you bad. Baby, I just lost you and nothing feel the same. Been fighting to keep you, hoping you will stay. You know my jealousy is the biggest symbol of love and commitment. Baby, you say ufanelwe mina ngedwa, I will never let you down. Ufanelwe mina ngedwa wena.